Happy Earth Day, Staten Island. It's me, Wambui Ippolito, your Staten Island horticulturalist. And today, for the Staten Island Museum, we are going to learn how to make simple flavored and scented oils using ingredients we have at home or that we can walk down to the supermarket or Mexican or Asian store to get. I'm going to use 3 oils. I'm going to use olive oil, coconut oil, and almond oil. These 2 are edible, this one not so much, so I use this for massage oils or aromatherapy oils. I'm going to use simple jars that I got at IKEA a long time ago. I don't know if they still make these. And some mason jars that I got from my mother-in-law. These came filled with maple syrup, I think last year. So I also have red dried peppers from the Mexican store, cloves from the Mexican store, and dried shrimp. This is very, very pungent, so you don't want to use too much dried shrimp. In this jar, I have some olive oil. I already put some in, and I'm going to take my dried red peppers. You can use any dried peppers, and just drop them in there. These have been rinsed and dried. And then I fill them up with some olive oil. Fill it up, seal it. These come with a sealer. Voila. The next one is shrimp flavored coconut oil. This is really good to use in rice. So a couple of dried shrimp. Again, these are very, very pungent, but this is really great if you want to make some Asian flavored rice or noodles. Some coconut oil. And you can put in as much as you want. I use in about that much. I'm going to use about that much. Close that. That's all you have to do, and let that sit in the fridge. The next oil that I want to make is a scented clove oil. This you can use for massage, or you can use this in an aromatherapy mister. So just a couple, about 5 cloves, and I use almond oil. You can use mineral oil if you have some. It's just about that much. Clove oil is very, very strong, so you don't want to use too much because it gets too overwhelming. And that's it. That's all you have to do. These can sit in the fridge for as long as they stay clean and clear, and you can use these in your rice, in your noodles. You can put this on some toasted Italian bread at the table. Very nice. Has a very pungent coconut and shrimp flavor in about a week and a half to 2 weeks. And that's it. And you need these to clean up. So thank you so much. Thank you to the Staten Island Museum, as always. Thank you, everybody. Happy Earth Day. Plant a tree. Plant a flower if you can. Go outside to Snug Harbor. It's open and available to us all and free of charge. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.